Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the brick black truffle patty burger in Heartopia during the modular street festival event. Okay, this is how the brick black truffle patty burger looks like, and I'm going to show you the recipe to make this burger, guys. You need to cook with your brick serving cart, and you need to have the brick mushroom patty burger, and you're going to replace the mushroom with the black truffle. And for this recipe, guys, you can get it from Massimo. You need all these ingredients, and for the black truffle mushroom, you can get it from the Forest Island. If you don't know how to get the black truffle mushroom, you can watch my previous video. Okay, then you're going to start cooking, and after you unlock the recipe, you can immediately use the recipe, guys, to make the brick black truffle patty burger. I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, and we need to wait. Okay, done. And I've just made the brick black truffle patty burger. This one. Oops. This one, guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can make brick black truffle patty burger in Heartopia during the modular street festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.